Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you through connecting with the Autoforward messages bot on Telegram. First, you need to start the bot. Click on the menu and select the /start command from the command list. Next, go to Settings to view the Telegram account information you want to connect the bot with, and copy your phone number. Then return to the app, tap the paste icon, and your country code and phone number will be filled in automatically. Click Next to continue. Now go back to the Telegram chat window and wait a moment. You'll need to wait a bit to receive the login code from Telegram. When the login code arrives, copy it and paste it into the verification field in the Autoforward Messages app. Then press Verify Code. And that's it. You've successfully connected your account with the Autoforward Messages bot. If this is your first time, the bot may take a short while to initialize before it's ready to use. After connecting successfully, your Telegram account name will appear in the profile section. To ensure privacy, only your name is synced. Your Telegram avatar is not. Please note, when you connect the bot, you'll see a login session appear. This is simply the bot's device. Important: if you log out of the session, your Telegram account will be disconnected from the Autoforward bot, and you'll need to reconnect from the beginning. Don't worry, this session exists only so the bot can forward your messages automatically. Your data is fully protected. No one can access it without permission, and no third party will ever see it. We deeply respect your privacy and honor the trust you place in us. That's all I wanted to share in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides in the future, and see you next time.